Okay guys, sorry about that. This is a two-part video. My camera shut off. I actually had to delete some stuff. So I have a bad habit of, I know I should be doing that a little more often. Hopefully this works, but I got the package open. So, and hopefully I can do this again without the camera turning off. So there's what it looks like. It opened up pretty easily. So there's the alarm. So it is small. So let me put the phone down again. Oh. Ah. Okay. Wow. Okay. What a small and light device. Holy. Almost looks like a little transistor radio. That is light. Okay. I'm going to put the batteries in it and I'm going to test it. Now, again, I hope my camera does not shut off. So I want to hear this thing. I want you guys to hear it. Okay. All right. There's the battery compartment there. I don't know. I hope it works. Sometimes during shipment, these horns get a little jarred, they said. Hmm. Battery's a little stuck here. Okay. Now. Oop. Okay, you heard it. Flashlight isn't working, I don't think. Okay. Another one of those high-pitched horns. So, just like the other, yeah. Wow, really high-pitched. Let me see. Whoa, sorry, I'm a little shaky here. Alright, okay, I'm going to turn this off. Now, there it goes, right there. Now, the flashlight isn't going on. But again, it is an old device. Let me see. Okay. What I'm going to do, even if the flashlight doesn't work, that's okay. It could just be the battery. I more or less bought it for the alarm anyway. And the alarm works. Cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put it on my door. Now, I'm going to see if this works. I don't know. I'm going to see. I'm going to put it on my door. Follow me. And see if this will do what it's supposed to do. Again, it's an old device. They're hit and miss, but it is tiny. Okay. Oh. Okay, I guess that's... I'm going to go in here, in my laundry room. Well, you know what? I'll fix it. I'll see if I can get the this to work. But the sound works. The personal alarm part. So if I was walking along and somebody was to come along and, well, politely bug me or, you know, well, let's not go there, attack me, I don't think anyone would want to be around with that going off. There's the horn in there. It could just be a matter of the batteries. And at some point, I'll go back to Dollar Tree and get some. Here, let me turn that off. At some point, I will go back to Dollar Tree and get some new batteries. But we know it works. It is a tiny device. Real tiny. Well, let me walk back over here. And this here, I'll show you this. You guys did see it when I first opened the package. This is what you put on a... Oh, actually, this is the door part. So maybe that's why. Yeah. I guess, yeah, this part would go on the door. Well, let me see. Let me see if I can do this. And I know. Okay, this is cool. All right, hold on. All right, sorry about all the talking here. And again, it's a two-parter. I apologize. This part, this is why. I don't know why the flashlight. Again, it could just be the batteries, you know. But this part here is, okay. Let me see. Okay, this goes in here. Or the door or the window. Again, I'm going to have to put it down. So it's in that mode there. I think it does. Huh. I don't know how it's supposed to go for the door. I don't know. This is a little strange. Yeah. Okay. There's the door part there. It's supposed to go on the side. Ah, I see. Goes in there. That's why. Okay, I'm going to try doing something. I'm going to try testing it, see if it works with the door. Now. Okay, there's the personal alarm part. Okay. I'm going to try putting it on the door and see if this works. Okay. All right. Again, I'm going to have to put the phone down. It's a lot of putting the phone down, and let's see. I don't know how this is supposed to work for a door. Like I said, the windows in my apartment are a little strange. All right. See, there's the part there. So, let me see. Would it touch that? I don't know. For a door. This would go on a window. I can see for a window how it would work.